Garage Doors.
Hello, dear.
Hello.
Hello, dear. This is old Mrs Galloway speaking. I'm 89. I need your help in an urgent matter.
Okay, and what's the problem?
Well, it's about next-door neighbour's pacemaker. Mr McFuttock is 93, and since the gates were automated with the remote control, you know, the little one with the red button.
Is this the gates or the garage door?
The garage door, dear, and it's interfering with him. He's in agony.
Well, who installed the doors?
He had this problem a couple of weeks ago, dear, with his remote control for the television. I'm on the phone now, dear.
I'm dying.
I'm
dying.
Well, I suggest you get a doctor to him.
There's one on its way, dear, but I mean, these things are lethal.
Well, I mean...
It's interfering with this man's pacemaker. He had a valve fitted by Bupa.
Right. Well, I suggest you pull the battery out of the handset.
Yes?
Okay, take the battery out of it completely and switch the electric off to the operator.
Well, yes, I can't do that, dear, because I need my stair lift to go down and let the doctor in.
Shut
He's in agony.
Yeah, well, go and get someone.
I'm 89, dear, you know. He's 93. Mr McFuttock is his name.
Right. Well, I'm sitting in an office. I can't leave an office. You must have someone in the road who can just come in and turn off the electric to your operator.
Someone
in the garage.
in the road? How do you mean, dear? Someone in the road? I don't
yes,
understand.
just go and knock on the door.
Pardon?
Just go and get someone to knock on the door or phone someone.
I'm housebound, dear. I'm in a wheelchair. Mr McFuttock's about to pass out on the floor.
Right, well, there's not a lot I can do sitting in an office here. Can you give me the address?
Galashiels Nursing Home, dear.
I'm dying.
Can you phone up the
He
police?
says he's dying, dear.
Phone the police.
Sorry, dear, what's that?
Can you phone the police and get someone out to you?
Yeah, the ambulance is on its way.
Right.
But he's in severe agony.
What address are you?
Galashiels Nursing Home, Galashiels.
Where is that?
Mr McFuttock's passed out.
Yeah, where is that?
I'm in Scotland, dear.
And I'm in London, South Croydon.
I thought you might be able to give me some advice.
Well, I've got no idea who's installed a door for you up in Scotland.
Well, Mr McFuttock's come round.
I'm very sorry, there's nothing I can do. I'm in London, England. Try ringing this number. 01324...
01434.
No, you misheard me.
Pardon?
01324.
01342.
No.
0132.
4.
Yes, dear, that's it.
Right, 720.
Yes.
506.
Pardon? 5.
720.
720.
No. There's not a lot I can do, I'm afraid, unless you take the phone number down.
But you saw the remote controls, dear, don't you?
Shut it off!
I'm trying.
It off! I'm dying! I'm dying!
We try him again. Phone him back.
Access Garage Doors, Croydon.
Hello, dear.
Hello, this is Access Garage Doors in Croydon.
Yes, dear. Hello. This is old Mrs Galloway here.
Yeah, Mrs Galloway.
Yes, dear.
You're in Scotland.
Yes, dear. I know I am.
I'm in Croydon.
Oh, yes, that's nice for you, dear. Yes.
Yes, it's very nice for me, but I can't help you.
Yes, dear. What should I do?
Call an ambulance to the dying man and call somebody in Scotland to fix your garage door. Have you got a pencil?
Pardon?
Have you got a pencil?
No, dear, I don't. I'm sorry.
Well, you can't write the number down if you haven't got a pen.
I've got a pen.
Right, you haven't got a pencil, but you've got a pen.
Yeah, you said I have a pencil, dear, and I haven't got one. I've got a pen.
Right, 01324.
He's in agony, dear.
Make him a cup of tea.
I'm on the phone to her.
Oh!
Sorry, dear.
I'm dying!
He says he's dying.
Well, in that case, I think I'd call a priest. Okay, who's doing the wind-up?
Who's that?
It's Sue.
Hello, Sue.
Who's that?
And what's your friend's name, the other guy that answered?
Tony.
This is Robin Galloway at the Real Breakfast Show in Scotland on Real Radio.
Okay, well, at least we weren't rude to you.
Mr. McFuttock is dying, dear. He's 93.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Thank you, dear.
Bye.
Bye-bye now.